Hello everyone, this question is about binomial series or binomial expansion. So this is part B. Part A is to find the partial fractions here. So now we have to use the partial fractions and use binomial expansion and find the expansion up to n including x squared term. So we have to analyze each term separately. So for the first term, 2 over 1 plus 2x, that is the same as 2 times 1 plus 2x to the power of minus 1 because of this reciprocal here. Now we cannot use this formula because this is only for positive integer. The power here is minus negative, so we cannot use this formula because this is for pure 1. For paper 1, for paper 3 we use this formula. So using the paper 3 formula, we have to identify the n and the x. The n is minus 1, the x is 2x. So 1 plus nx, the n is minus 1, the x is 2x again. Just use brackets all the time. And then we have n minus 1 over 2 factorials times, this is the x squared. And we don't need to continue because we only need expansion until x squared term. Okay, so just follow the formula, identify the n and the x, and don't forget the brackets. So after you simplify, we have minus 2x, and they cancel out here, so just 4x squared, and multiply by 2, we get 2 minus 4x plus 8x squared. And now we do the same thing for the second term, 2 over 3 minus x, so 2 over 3 minus x. So again we use to the power of minus 1 here. Now this time, if you look at the formula, we can only use the MF19 formula if it's 1 plus something. If it's not 1, we cannot use the formula. So here we have to factor out the 3. We get 3 times 1 minus 1/3 x. Notice that if you multiply, you get 3. You multiply, you get minus x. So we are not changing the question. Now remember, this 3 is also to the power of minus 1. So the 3 is to the power of minus 1. And 1 minus 1/3 x also to the power of minus 1. This is actually 1/3. So we have 2 times 1/3, which is 2/3 from here. And you can now use the binomial expansion because now it is 1. Okay, it doesn't have to be plus here, minus is okay. So it's like plus minus 1/3 x. So the x is minus 1/3 x. So follow the formula. This is n, this is x, this is n minus 1, this is x squared. So simplify, use a calculator. Plus 1/3 x, cancel out, plus 1 over 9 x squared, and multiply by 2/3, 2 over 9x, 2 over 27x squared. And the last term is minus 3 over 3 minus x all squared. So this time the power is minus 2 because of the square here. We again factor out the 3. The 3 is also to the power of minus 2. So this is actually 1 over 9. 1 over 9 times minus 3, that's minus 1/3. And now we can use the binomial formula. This is 1 plus nx plus n minus 1 times x squared. And this is 2/3 x. This is 1/3 x squared if you use your calculator. Okay, don't forget this is also squared. And multiply. And then for the final answer, we're gonna have to add everything from the first, second, third term and then just use your calculator for each like term. 2 plus 2/3 minus 1/3, that's 7/3, minus 4 plus 2/9 minus 2/9, they cancel out actually, so just minus 4. For the x squared term, 8 plus 2/27 minus 1/9, you will get 215/27. So that's it for the final answer. Alright, I'll see you again next time.